In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, open your Google search bar, and what we need to do is locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search for the game The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered. So select it, scroll a little bit down, and once you have done that, you will find that this game is still a pre-purchase. It will be released on the 3rd of April. But after that it will be €49.99. But we got a little workaround for that, because this is quite expensive. What you need to do is open the link in the description, and once you have clicked on that, then you will be redirected to this website. And what we need to do is search for the same game over here, The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered, and then we will select games on the left side. After that, select sort by price lowest first. Now, if you scroll down, then you will find different options. The important thing is that this text needs to be marked green before you can select it, because it needs to be able to be activated in your country. So once you found one, then select it, and as you can see, this one is just €40.31, and compared to the price on Steam, you are already saving yourself money while buying this game. So what you need to do is buy this game. After that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for your Steam account to activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC. Once you have done that, you are able to play the game The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!